What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have teamed up with Texas Speed and Performance to get a custom grind camshaft from them for the Green Monster Rat Rod burnout car. So we got a couple of turbos to put on it, and they were kind enough to hook us up with a custom grind cam and ship it all out to us. So let's get the box open and check out what they sent us. Let's get to the action. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Texas Speed and Performance. The specs on it. Here it is. Got it out. I'm not going to pull it completely out of the bag because I'm going to keep it wrapped up until I get the other parts to install it. But the cool thing about this cam is, for me, we can get it to focus here. There we go. Got my name etched right in the end of that Texas Speed and Performance camshaft. Hell yeah, brother. So now we've got to get few more parts rounded up and we'll get this installed into here.